こんにちは、イリカです。Hi, this is Erica and we're going to be studying for the JLPT. So today we're going to do lesson number 13, いこうけい. Okay, this is volitional form. So when you want to suggest something or when you invite someone, you use いこうけい. Grammar 1 of 1. So first, let's review polite form. ましょうか and ませんか. Let's review this. So first, ましょう. A verb plus ましょう. For example, 買いましょう. Okay, 買いましょう. This is let's buy this. 買いましょう. Okay, one of the meanings of ましょう is let's. Okay, 買いましょう. Let's buy this. And another meaning. There's another meaning for ましょう. Shall we? Okay, it's similar to let's. Shall we do this? 買いましょう. Okay. Next word. ましょうか. A verb plus ましょうか. First, this also means let's. Okay. For example, 買いましょうか. Let's buy this. Same meaning. Let's. And another meaning of ましょうか. You use this when you say 私が買いましょうか. Okay. So this means shall I do this for you? やってあげましょうか. Okay. Or 話しましょうか. Shall I speak to him for you? 話しましょうか. Okay, next one. A verb plus ませんか. Okay, ませんか. Okay, first this also means let's. 話しませんか. Okay, would you like to talk? 話しませんか. Or would you like to drink with me? 飲みませんか. This is inviting. Let's. These all mean let's. And a second meaning of ませんか is don't you or won't you. Okay, so for example, 書きませんか? Won't you write this? Okay. Would you like to write this? Won't you write this? And so on. So this is, we did this before. ましょうかませんか. Please remember this and the meanings. And next, today, in our lesson today, we want to do 普通形, the more casual, the plain form of this. Okay, today we're going to do the plain form of ましょうか and ませんか. So first, okay, let's look at the plain form. So, plain form of ましょう is simply a verb. And today we want to do one of the forms of the verb. いこうけ. Okay, this is what we're going to do today. Volitional form. いこうけ. This verb turns into いこうけ when you use plain form to invite someone. For example, please look at the table 1 of 1. 表1の1. These show the ますけ and いこうけ of each verb. So please look at the first example. Okay, group 1. 買います. Okay, ますけ. 買います to buy. The いこうけ volitional form is 買おう. Okay, 買います becomes 買おう. Next example, 書きます to write. 書きます becomes 書こう. 話します to speak becomes 話そう。泳ぎます to swim becomes 泳ごう。 nomimasu, to drink. Nomimasu becomes nomo. And kaerimasu, to go home, becomes kaero. Okay, so as you can see, okay, the E sound. E turns to O. Okay, so kaimasu. Kaimasu becomes kao. Okay, the E sound turns to O, kao. Kakimasu. Kakimasu. The E sound turns to kako. Okay, kakimasu, to write, becomes let's write, kako. So you use いこうけ when you want to say let's or shall we. So 話そう、話しましょう becomes 話そう, let's talk. Okay, shall we talk? 話そう. Okay, next one. ましょうか, the plain form of ましょうか becomes いこうけ volitional form plus か. Okay, so look at the table, please. 買おう、か. Okay, いこうけ is 買おう, to buy, 買おうか. To write, 書こうか. 話そうか. 泳ごうか. Okay, this means let's or shall I. Okay, 買おうか, shall I buy it for you? Or 買おうか, let's buy this together. Okay, these have two meanings, please be careful. And the final ませんか. ませんか, the plain form is a bit different. You do not use いこうけ. You use ますけ plus ないけ. Okay, ます, same thing as here. For example, look at the table, please. 買います. Okay, 買います plus ないけ. Okay, ないけ, do you remember ないけ? So, for example, 買います plus 買います to buy plus ないけ becomes 買わない and 書きます You want to change this to ないけ 書きます to write ないけ is 書かない Okay, 書かない and okay, this actually means let's. Okay, you used ないけ before, right? And there are different meanings of ないけ, and we're going to do that later. But for now, please remember that this means let's or won't you. This is inviting. Say, so 買わない won't you buy this? 買わない let's buy this. Okay, or 話さない this is won't you talk with me or let's talk. So thank you for listening, and please review your grammar and try to use いこうけ in your conversations. Yes, and I'll see you next time. Bye. ますけ Sorry. The board doesn't seem to work today, so Please wait a moment. Okay, so maske, the E sound. The E sound, I'm very sorry, this doesn't work. E sound turns to, sorry, not E. The E sound turns